And it says here, what kind of website would you like to create? This one says, I just need a website. And this one says, I need an online store. So which of those would suit you better, my angel? A website, or do you want to sell things and have a little store?
I think with a little store, because once you once you have things that people can buy, like some of the ebooks or things like that,
then that'll be available. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, website with an online store. And then it takes a moment or two to sign up. And let's say, what is the name of your store? So go ahead and just give me a name. Then continue. Yes. Are you currently selling any items? Yes or no, not yet. Or I'm just trying out Weebly. Okay, so not yet. So when are you planning to start? And then you can say in the next 3 months, perhaps. Mm-hmm. What type of items will you be selling online? And then it gives you a whole bunch of things. What's your store address? We're customizing your settings so you can build a store. Okay, sweetheart. So now you can see a whole bunch of stuff. So now I'll show you how many sales you've got, how many page views, how many unique visits. You'll see at the top there it says edit your website and manage your store. So if you can just go and edit your website, that's what I normally do on my online store page. But either way, you can do it. If you say manage your store, it'll bring you up to your store page. Then you'll read this little bit of stuff that they put there. And now you can see there's 7 steps. You'll design your website, you'll add an item to sell, you'll select your domain, and then you must add if you have tax on it and shipping and all those things. Design your website. So what you can do is you click on the first block and it says start designing your online store by choosing a layout and adding branding colors. So you go and continue. And then it's going to pull that up for you. So it's just going to walk you through it step by step, and then it brings you to the building page, which is what I was in a little while ago, and I was showing you that building page. So the building page is so simple. It's like a copy paste. If you've been playing with Canva already, it's really easy. It's it's very intuitive. So what they do here is they want you to select a theme, my angel, and the themes help you because they give you the bones of the website. It helps you just to start to plan. You play and you adjust. You can tweak and throw out and add more. You can do anything you like. It just gives you a beginning point. When you're looking at these, look at the fonts and look at where the headers are. You can see this one's down the column. This header is at the top here. These little header notes: home, services, about, and contact. Look at the font over here and get a general feeling of the layout of it. So then you can change all of this, my sweetheart, once you're in. It's just going to give you your bare bones right now. Okay, my love?
Okay.
So here you're going to go. This is your theme preview. So you're going to have a little thing like this with your name. You're going to have these little guys running along the top here. You're going to start with a big image, and then you're going to show your featured collection. And this is what your collection is, this, that, and that. And you can add more little blocks, whatever you're adding in. You can have a little bit about the different products, and then you will have these buttons. And that helps you to get the sale. So people will click on that, and then they can purchase from you. And all of these are buttons, and you can make as many as you want. You can pop those in. And this is your footer down the bottom here, where you will have your contact, where people will leave their email. And this is a very nice little piece on this format. Okay, so let's say we like it. Then we go here to start editing. So we say, okay, that's the one I'm going to go with to start with. So now we can start creating our website. So what you want to do is you want to select your domain name. You can have a free Weebly website. If you haven't bought a domain name, which is quite expensive, so if you want to just play with this without having an expense, then you would have a domain name .com, so it'll have .weebly inside of it. The name that you want to use. When you've put that in, you go and search to see if anyone's got that name. If they've got that name, you can't use it. So if you want to have a .com registration for a year, this is what it's going to cost. So it's going to give you your pricing of what it will be. And those are your professional domains, which are all available to you, and there's more. But at the subdomain, this one, it says you're free with Weebly branding on your website. So we're going to pretend this is the one we want. Okay, sweetheart. It's alchemagic.weebly.com. So we're going to choose it, and there it is there. So now you've successfully set up your subdomain name. After publishing your website, you will find it at Izelka Magic Bling Bling. I'm going to just copy that. And then you just pop it in I'll just pop it into my sticky notes. Done.